A very good evening, children. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of English grammar, and that is parts of speech. So, the first one is noun. What is a noun? A noun names a person, place, things, or idea. What are the examples of noun? The examples of nouns are pen, book, bag, teacher, son, Mary, etc. Anything which you can name is a noun. Okay, and can you frame a sentence from it? The teacher gives us lots of books. So here teacher is noun and books is noun. The second parts of speech is pronoun. So what is a pronoun? It replaces the name of a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. So the name of person, place, thing or idea is noun. The word which replaces a noun is called as a pronoun. For example, he, she, it, we, they, him, her, and etc. So when we are using a name that is called as noun, when some words replaces the noun that is called as pronoun. This book belongs to her friend. Okay, what is her? Her is a pronoun. The next part of speech is verb. What is a verb? It is a word or group of words that describes an action or an experience. The action words are called as verb. So, for example, like think, prepare, believe, look, see, any action you perform is called as a verb. For example, let us frame a sentence. Mark studies hard to pass in the final exam. So, what is the action he is doing? He is studying. And for what he is studying? He is studying to pass in the exam. So, the action or the experience which a person does is called as verb. The next one is adverb. It describes a verb or an adjective or an adverb. Now, any word which describes a verb, adjective, or an adverb is or an adverb is called as an adverb. Now, always you remember that maximum adverbs end with ly. Okay, there are few exceptions which do not end with ly, like adverb of we have adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, and normally adverb of manner ends with ly, and rest of the things they do not end with ly. For example, seldom, early, soon, gracefully, etc. Do not worry, he will get well soon. Now, soon is the adverb here. Now let us go to adjective. Adjectives are all describing words are called as adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Anything which describes the noun or the pronoun is called as an adjective. Adjectives examples are tall, thin, red, beautiful, for, etc. Anything. For example, you look so beautiful in that red dress. Now we have described you as how do you look? You look beautiful. And what is the color of the dress? The color of the dress is red. Okay, so we have described the red dress as red, and we have described you. Did we describe you? Beautiful. So the next one is preposition. It is used before a noun or a pronoun or a gerund to show the place, time, direction in a sentence. Now the preposition means the position. Okay, the place of the noun, pronoun, or the gerund. Okay, for example, it's at, in, on, from, above, below. Any placing word is called as a preposition. Be careful, the dog is lying under your table. Where is the dog lying? The dog is lying under the table. Okay. Now, next one is conjunction. Conjunction is the joining words. Okay. Any word, two words if you want to join, or any two sentences you want to join, that you can join with the help of conjunction. Conjunction join words or group of words or in a sentence. Like you can use the conjunctions like yet, therefore, since, or, but, and, etc. Okay, I have studied English since 1995. Now, there can be the sentences I have studied English. Okay, and you want to join 1995 also with that. So I have studied English since 1995. The last one is interjection, which express strong emotion and are often followed by exclamation point. An exclamation mark, wherever you see an exclamation mark, that is an interjection because it is an emotion. So hooray, yay, oops, phew, bravo, and well. For example, yay, finally I passed the exam. So the excitement, the emotion of a person, how is it? Yay, finally I passed the exam. These were the past parts of speech. And if you like my channel, if you like the lecture, please like, subscribe, and comment. And looking forward for many more sessions and many more grammar sessions with you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and have a nice day.